Two words that I've always thought would never be in the same sentence together are seamless and integration. And the whole process with Collectiv has been a seamless integration. We are Dunkin' Donuts franchisee, and we're growing. So we have 85 locations today and are opening 10 to 20 locations a year for the next several years. So before working with Collectiv, we had decided that we wanted to create a data warehouse that would house all of our data and have a direct connection to Power BI. This would enable us to create personalized dashboards for each of our locations that would highlight key business metrics and KPIs. This would allow our managers to better communicate with their teams. We chose Collectiv because they had extensive knowledge of Microsoft Fabric, and it was very hard to find companies that even knew what Fabric was. I went to a conference in Las Vegas and saw the Collectiv booth, and that they had the knowledge of Fabric. And so I immediately approached and introduced myself in hopes that way they would be able to help us in our journey. They collaborated with us. They listened to what we had to say. I know that our company is not very large and that our project is not very big, but they never made me feel like our project was insignificant. They made us feel valued. If something came up, as something always does, they resolved our problems within hours, not within days or not within weeks. It was always within hours. One of the things that Collectiv was able to help us with was getting our data into a platform where it was manageable. We were running into issues with refreshes timing out, with data backing up because it was the data sets were so large, things were not able to move. And by Collectiv implementing Fabric for us, we were able to get things to where we can refresh within, minutes, and it doesn't take hours. I mean, sometimes the refreshes would stall and take over the weekend, to be quite honest. And so, having Fabric implemented for us has helped us with our refreshes, with our data, with the organization, where we feel like it's safe and it's organized. Collectiv has also helped with our connection to Sage Intacct, which is our accounting software. We have created all of our P&Ls, our prime cost reports, and many of our other reports have been created from Sage Intacct, which are being pushed out to our district managers, our stores, and everything else. Previous to Fabric implementation, we were having refresh issues, which would sometimes cause our reports to not be ready and pushed out to the field until after 2 or 3 days. The implementation of Fabric has resolved this issue for us, and now if accounting makes an entry at the end of the day, we can still do a refresh and have our reports out the same day. Two words that I've always thought would never be in the same sentence together are seamless and integration. And the whole process with Collectiv has been a seamless integration. We have weekly status calls. We have a weekly report that outlines the steps that we're on, where we are in the process, where we're at on our budget, and what steps are next. Finding a team of experts that know Microsoft Fabric, as well as Collectiv does, has allowed us to get all of our information into one data platform. It is faster, it's more reliable, it's safer, and it gives us the ability to create faster, better reporting.